back to my channel. If you're new here, what's good? Make sure that thumbs up, subscribe button, be part of this gang, because my gang is the littlest gang of all gangs. So today I'm going to do an updated edges tutorial because I just washed my hair, and if you haven't seen that video, you need to watch the video. Check. And I got super tired of the hair. I got used to it a little bit, but I didn't really love it. Like, I was just dreading washing it, which is why I kept it straight for so long. I might put it back in because you guys liked it so much. Maybe take some pictures. I love switching up my hair. But in the meantime, between time, it's curly, and I'm about to show you guys my edges tutorial. I need to put some edges because my forehead is just like so blocky and squarish to me, so edges is a must. So first thing is first, you need gel. Everybody uses different products for their hair based on the texture of their hair. So my hair is really fine, so I'm able to put things that are water-based and like not so thick on my hair. Actually, I was using this Curly Kids mixed texture curly gel on my hair. I just have it for the baby, but I was using it on mine to see how it worked. It didn't really work that well, so I'm using the Diva Curl Be Leave-In. I use that, but any gel that works for your hair is fine. This next part is the holy grail. I will not steer you in the wrong way. If you're doing your edges, this is a must-have. Ready? 3, 2, 1, boom! These are mascara wands. You can get them like as a sample from like Ulta or Sephora if you don't feel like buying them, but I got mine on Amazon for really cheap. I think it was like $4 or $5. You need these, okay? What I do is I put my thing in there because it fits in the hole. I just go at it. So I do different kinds of edges. Sometimes I just do a quick little swoop if I'm being lazy, and then other times I do it like dramatic depending on how they turn out. This one shall go this way today. Sometimes the way you swoop your guys' edges determines how good they turn out. So like if your hair does not want to go this way, don't force it this way, force it the other way. Or just if you're used to swooping it to one side, try swooping it the other way, because maybe that might work better for you. So this one, I always swoop it this way, but one time I swooped it the opposite way and it looked really good. This is just not one of those days. So even when my hair is down, I like to do edges because I change up my hair a lot. I am like indecisive. Like if I'm getting hot, I get so annoyed with my hair if I'm like dancing or something, so I put it up in a bun. And then other times when I want to take a picture, or if I'm like, ugh, it's always in a bun, let me wear it down, then I wear it down. But it's usually just up and down. That's it. That's all you get. Let me know if you guys do like a whole bunch of different hairstyles to your curly hair, because I don't. That's it. It literally took me, let's see, my camera says 5 minutes, but it was a lot quicker than that because I was talking a lot of the time. So this is what it looks like. Ta-da! I have so many edges brushed. Like here's one of them. I use this, and this is trash, okay? Like it doesn't evenly distribute the product, so you have to do a lot, and then sometimes it pulls out hair that I don't want it to pull out. Whereas to this one, when you dip it in whatever product that you have, it'll moisturize every single baby hair. It just makes it perfect. When I did have to use this before I found out the wand method, I would just take out all my baby hairs. It's like you need extra steps because I had to take out all my baby hairs, and then I had to wet them all, and then I used to go in with my product and then wet them all like straight, so they'd be like straight baby hairs, and then I would swoop them because now they were moisturized, versus my hair was just dry and all I did was dip it in the product and I didn't have to wet it, and I swooped them just like that. Period. That's it. That's how you get edges really fast, because who has time to be in the mirror for hours on hours? After I got my eyebrows freaking microbladed, it's not really called microbladed, but I keep forgetting the real term for it. Watch the video, you already know what they're called. So that cuts my makeup time in half. Like it literally only takes me 40 minutes to do a full face beat, sis. 40 minutes. It used to take me 5 hours when I first started makeup, doing full face beats and eyeshadow and stuff. So yeah, and then the edges only take 5 minutes, If you want to be extra with your edges, the most it'll probably take is 10, maybe 15, but come on, I did mine in 4 minutes. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, concerns, video ideas, make sure you let me know in the comments. Make sure you check out my other channels that are in the description. Make sure you follow my TikTok, because I'm always TikToking it up. Make sure you follow my Instagram. Make sure you follow my Snapchat. Make sure you just do all of that good stuff. I love you guys again. I'll see you in my next video.